Alright you guys, I made it inside Costco. So right here, $13.99 on the moisturizing lotion. This one does end on the 22nd. Let me pan in. Oh, it exfoliates? Oh, interesting. And $19.99. You get 84 capsules in here. Your limit is 15. This one does end on the 22nd. And it will be a 12-week supply. Also, Mary Ruth, she does have a liquid like type of version. I haven't tried it, but it doesn't hurt to, like, you know, get on board. Let's see. Yeah, these are 20, ends on the 22nd. And then we have Pepto-Bismol. We have the chews and the liquid. So chews are $13.49. Liquid will be $14. I'm just rounding that. And $49.99. This is a new one I haven't seen in the Costco. Triple Action Care Hydrate Firm. Improve the looks of fine lines. This is a new one. Pretty bottle though. Before and after. Look at that before and after. I don't know. That's a pretty big one. And $35 on the retinol moisturizer. Again, ends on the 22nd. It looks like a lot of people are buying this. I mean, we got 2 empty ones on top. Oh, it has peptide in it? Okay. You get 2 though for $35, so not bad. Night 1. Interesting. 35. And then over here, the hydrating moisturizer is 35. This is multitasking. There's no peptides in here. And it's not retinol. Just like moisturizer. And we have the peptide plump line bouncing before and after 7 days. And, you know, they also say drink a lot of water. Like my daughter, okay, she's 18, but man, she got really deep lines in her forehead. Not to like say anything, but I'm like, I think you're really dehydrated. $39.99. Sky High Mascara. A 3-pack is $25. $25. Oh, I'm too zoomed in. I'm sorry. Now this one is the light cleansing oil set, which is a pretty good deal here. $24. This one does end on the 19th though. Cleansing oil, perfect. And then you get a smaller one. I mean, for $24. I think you only get this size though in Sam's, TJ Maxx or Marshalls. This size only. But this is supposed to be really good, and it's $24 for 2. This one I hear is pretty good too by everybody. $40. Again, I still haven't tried it. And then $21.99. You can also find this bottle in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but it won't be as large. But 16 bucks over there, but you get 2 for 21, so pretty much paying about the same price. And then $49.99. Hydration cream. Retinol and hyaluronic acid. And I hear nothing but good things from The Rock. I haven't tried any of their stuff, so $49.99. And they also have this one, the Hydrate and Plump Water Cream. This looks like, you know, that Neutrogena one. Just a hydration, $29.99. And then normally you put this on like after you take a shower. You want your face still wet. And then $22.99. This one is on discount till the 25th. Skin texture. You know what? I've been hearing good things about this too. What is my problem? I'm not too sure if this is the one that feels like you have stuff poking your skin. Like a little tingling. Yeah. Because I know it could go up to like 500. blackhead and whitehead care, exfoliation for smoother skin, enhances skin texture and softness, blemish care. So will make your face tingly, but this is supposed to be the lowest one, I think. X is 100, but you get 2 for $22.99. And $24.97, the Eye Bag Duo Cream. Then you get your little spatula for most skin types, suitable for ages 20 and older. Under eye wrinkles, volumizing, lifting, $24.97.
Over there. Cheap.
So a lady just told me that this was good. This Korean lady, she goes, this one's good. I'm like, okay, but this one's cheaper. Well, she said that blue one was better than this one. I mean, these are tiny for $25. And she was like, come over here. I was like, okay. $28.99. They got the bean one. Okay, I might try that. I might try that. When I get my little TikTok check, it's only like $100. I'll come back and try that. $19.97 here. Firming eye cream. And I hear this is a good brand too. There we go. And $20 ends on the 22nd. And of course you get 2, and you also get the pump. They have the pump now. And then down here, working hand set, $20.99. Of course you get 3. Take one on the go. Ends on the 11th, which is soon. This is $25, you get 2. These are good to have, like if you buy them on discount now. That way, you know, you'll have 2. $18.99. AM moisturizing lotion with sunscreen, SPF 32. Not bad for $19. Down here, the cleanser is $20, which you get 2 large ones too. This is actually a good deal because my daughter bought a small one in Target. I think she paid like $9. And this one is still $24.99. I'm waiting for this to go down in price. Normally these do go down on the NYX. Oh, they're all out. These were $14.97. There's only one left. I don't need any exfoliating pads. But $14.97, that's a good deal. And $39.99 for the Midnight Cream. Recover skin barrier in just one night. And the firming and smoothing net cream. Retinol collagen. This one is $20. It's actually a lot of discounts in skincare, you guys. $27 ends on the 18th. And then $15.99. Then next to me, these are $28. I've never tried this brand of sanitizer, but I know they're like, everyone flocks to them. Is it the look, the smell? Because I don't know. But $28 for 4 sanitizers? I'm cheap and I just use a gel. Is it for looks? Over here, the hand soap, $12.99. Rain bath right now is $15.99. Your limit is 5. Does end on the 15th. Soap is not on sale. I thought it was on sale. Was it Sam's Club? But these are still $18.49 here. Harry's, it looks like $16.97 right now on the body wash. Dr. Groot. So I did some more research on what I could find on this one. $46.99 because I came across a lot of women on social media who our hair is thinning. Some of it is premenopause and some of it was like a lot of young girls. I never seen so many young girls like in their 20s or late 20s that have balding. And I don't know, everyone's saying they think there's something in the food now or something because there's more than the normal. But I was reading about this and I think this does have a fallout. I think your hair will fall out before it gets a new shed. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't want the fallout because there's already fallout happening. But I believe this does have one. $46.99. Hydro Boost here. The gel cleanser is $10. Okay. Okay, these are new in Costco. You get a 4-pack for $25. Look, you have a really cute cherry, strawberry, tangerine, and a lemon. These are cute. The Ninja Slushie is now $2.40, so $60 off. Was $300, ends on the 23rd. Get your slushie on, and then you get these 2 mugs with them and the straws. Oh my gosh, he's such a good boy. Don't look at me, I'm gonna cry. $240 for that. Okay, I like how he just sits there. Well, he's a service dog. That's right, baby. And $10 on the stoneware, dishwasher, microwave, safe. Of course, these have many patterns to it too. I'm watching the dog, sorry. See, he keeps looking at me. The bluey plushie. Look at, we got the muffin in here. These are $29.99. Muffin Bingo and I don't know their names. Squishmallow here. Okay, here's the armrest one for your sofa. $18.99. Just click it on the side of your couch. And you have your own little side table. And then $25.99 here, and it's on the 15th. Also, you can find this in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, just letting you know. So I only found one, $29.99. I still think it's pricey though.
Yeah, for one waffle at a time, the little bitty ones.
And $59.99 for the Smoothie IQ blender. Well, you get all that for $59.99.
That's pretty good.
That's a good deal. I didn't even get all that when I bought my Ninja. I just got the blend. I just got this. And I had my Ninja since for like 15 plus years.
Since they first came
When
out.
they first came out, it was, I got this one only. It didn't come with everything. $59.99. Wow, how cheap it is now compared to when they first come out.
They're
So
like
funny. Yeah.
130 or something like that.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Costco. The all greeting cards are out. The 40 count collection, all occasion. $18. We got birthday parties. I feel like these are the same.
The 700 one.
Mom. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there. That's cute. And I will see all of you in the next video.